This is a baked zucchini casserole. In the buttered dish, I have already started placing some of the slices. So you want to do 3 even layers of the zucchini. And in the pot here, we have a bechamel. All right, so it should be not too thick, nice and smooth. So then you're going to do a layer of the sauce. And we also need to season each layer as well. So that way, every bite will have good flavor and good taste. And keeping in mind, zucchini is bland as well. So then a little bit of cheese in between. So then repeat the layers again of the zucchini. You're going to do this a total of 3 times. And you want to make sure your zucchini is cut nice and evenly so it cooks evenly. So you don't have some that are soggy and others are still crunchy, in other words. So now we're going to do another ladle of the sauce. And more cheese. Oh, and I'm going to don't forget to season each layer. Keep in mind that cheese is salty, so don't overdo it. Final layer of the zucchini. And this will get baked in the oven until golden brown. And some parsley, garlic, and then more of our cheese, mozzarella to go all over. And then we're going to finish the whole thing with Parmesan. That's now ready to go into the oven.